Hello everyone, welcome back to Create Wealth of Currencies. Just making a video on how to place a trade on the MetaTrader 4 app, but also this is a demo account. I also want to show you guys what can happen just in case you're starting off with a balance of like $2,500, okay, roughly. All right, so excuse me. Let's say you want to trade the Canadian Swiss. Click on New Order. And let's say you just want to jump in trade. All right, if you want to just leave everything as is, I just want to get into trade. I think it's gonna go up. Okay, so go to the bottom, click on buy market, orders open. That's it, you're in the trade. Okay, but without even thinking, you ask yourself, what lot size did I use? Well, if you look on the left side bottom next to CAD Swiss, you're using a lot size of 0.01. Okay, think of the lot size as a dollar amount. All right, so in this case you're betting 1 cent per pip. That's why it's only negative 15, 14 cents, what have you. Okay, how do you get that number? All you got to do is look at the left side. There's two numbers there. 0.75067, that is the number that you have entered the trade in. Okay, and then you just subtract 75067 minus the number next to it, and then you will get that number on the right side. Okay, so you could pause the video, take out your calculator, and then once you subtract these numbers, it will give you the number on the right side. Okay, that's it, guys. That's how simple the lot size is. All right. Also, keep in mind the margin level. Okay, it's like a huge number, 73567. Okay, this is good when it's like high like that. The more positions you open, that number will decrease. Okay, when you see that your margin level is going as low as like 100, that's bad. Okay, you're putting your account at risk. If it goes below 100, your account, it can automatically close all your positions and you can be in a great loss. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You don't want that number to go lower than 100. Okay, so let me give you another example. New order. Let's say I want to change the lot size to and you can change the lot size to whatever you want. And by the way, the only time you can change your lot size is now, right before you enter the trade. Okay, after you place the trade, you cannot change it. The only thing you can modify is the stop loss and the target price. Okay, so but you can do 2 cents per pip. Okay, you can do 5 cents per pip. You could whatever, 10 cents, whatever you want to do. And so let's do $1 per pip. Okay, be careful. So you also have to be careful. The lot size is very important. You got to know which lot size you're using. You don't want to accidentally do what I just did. 10.1 whatever, 10 or 0.00. That's $10 per pip. That means you're risking a lot of money. Okay, so you don't want to accidentally do that. Okay, so let's keep it at 1.00. Like I said before, think of it as a dollar amount. You're betting $1 per pip in this example. Click on buy. All right, now it's negative $20 now. Why? Because like I said, you're risking more money. The higher you change the lot size, the more money you're risking. Okay, same thing. The math is the same, simple math. Take the number on the left side, do the subtraction, and you will get the number on the right side. Okay, guys? And look, like I said before about margin level, the more positions you open, that number will decrease. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, let's see what else. What else am I forgetting? that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you an example of what happens when you place trades, what happens when you use different lot sizes, and also, yeah, I just forgot something. You just got into a trade, right? You just got into 2 trades, all right? Don't forget to go back and modify the order. Click, hold on to it, modify the order. You need a target price, especially a stop loss. The stop loss is very important. God forbid it goes the opposite direction. You do not want to blow your account. Okay, so just don't forget to go back, modify the order. Okay, let's choose it right now. All right, target price 0.75. Let me see, 0.75. 400. Stop loss 0.748. Modify. Okay. Boom. Now you're good. Okay. The bottom red line, that's a stop loss. Top red line is the target price. All right. The stop loss is very important. Okay, it's like just as important as the lot size. All right, so it's also important. All right, guys. Let me see. Hopefully, I'm not forgetting anything. That's basically what I wanted to show you guys. What can happen when you place trades. All right, and like I said, if you haven't downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app or installed it, please do. It's very convenient. It's a beautiful app. This is what I use to place trades and make money. All right, it's very convenient for me. All right, because I'm always on the go. I'm always working. I love using this app. All right, there is also a MetaTrader for the laptop, just in case you don't feel like placing trades on your phone. If you like your laptop, you can basically get the software on your laptop, and you can make money with your laptop. All right. It's a great app. You have so many pairs you can choose from. If you want to add more pairs, just go on the top, click on the plus sign. There's so many other pairs you can choose from. British pound. You can also trade the 500 index. What else? Some futures. It's great. All right, the dollar index. Okay, you also have some. Wow, you can also trade the U.S. dollar versus the Mexican peso. All right, you also could trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, stuff like that. This is a beautiful app here. Okay, guys. You can also look at the charts, different time frames. All right, you can maneuver between different time frames and stuff like that. Great app. All right. It even shows you your history. Okay, I was messing around with this demo a lot. So it even gives you the history. All right, and you can even choose. You can go as far as you can. All right. So it was great. You can also choose different indicators. Go on the top there, the F symbol. Okay, choose different indicators. Relative strength index, I believe that's what it is on the bottom already. All right, but so yeah, this is a great app, guys. All right, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. I hope this video helped. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, please comment below. All right, you can also reach out to me on my website, createwealthwithcurrencies.com, and like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next video. And take care.